Hello, welcome back. Today, we're going to look at the group of reformed supervillains named Thunderbolts in the Marvel Universe. First, let's look at Hawkeye. This version of Hawkeye was released by Marvel Legends Hasbro in 2015. He stands around 6.5 inches tall. This is what he looks in front, side, back, other side. Leg moves forward, leg moves up, thigh twists, knee bends, foot moves up and down. Waist moves from side to side, if not for the suit here. Torso moves up and down, arm goes all the way around, arm goes up, elbow bends, hand moves. He comes with this accessory, a quiver of arrows that you put at the back. His head moves up and down, side to side. He also comes with this bow that you put in this hand. In 2017, Marvel Legends released this version of Songbird. Songbird used to be the supervillain named Screaming Mimi. This version of Songbird measures around a little over 6 inches tall. This is what she looks in front, side, back, other side. She has this sound construct that you put on her back. Leg moves forward, leg moves up, thigh twists, knee bends, foot moves up and down. Torso moves, arm goes forward, back, elbow bends, hand moves. Head moves from side to side, up and down. Songbird. In 2020, Marvel Legends released this version of Mach-1. Mach-1 used to be a supervillain named Beetle. That's him over there. Mach-1 measures around 6.5 inches tall. This is what he looks in front, side, back, other side. Leg moves up, leg moves forward, leg moves back, thigh twists, knee bends, foot moves. Waist moves from side to side, torso moves up and down, arm moves forward, back. He has a bicep swivel, elbow bends, hand moves. Head moves from side to side, up and down. And he has a Thunderbolts logo right over there. The final member of Thunderbolts in Marvel Legends is Citizen V. In 2018, this version of Citizen V was released by Marvel Legends Hasbro. Citizen V used to be the supervillain named Baron Zemo. Citizen V measures around 6.5 inches tall. This is what he looks in front, side, back, other side. Leg moves forward, leg moves up, knee bends, thigh twists, foot moves up and down, torso moves up and down, arm goes forward, back, elbow bends, head moves from side to side, up and down, and he comes with his accessory, a sword. In this cover of Avengers number 12, the Avengers fought the Thunderbolts. Here we have Songbird, Mach-1, and Hawkeye. So that's a look at the group of superheroes named Thunderbolts in the Marvel Universe. Thank you so much for watching.